Hey, awesome folks, how's it going? I am so happy to be back at an AFPH after a long time yet again. I think the last time I was here was a month and a half ago, actually, 2 months ago. This is so exciting. How are y'all doing? I already see the chat. Y'all are already here saying hi. How's it going, folks? I'm sorry, I just had to re-log in because my internet went away. So I've lost your chat logs in case y'all have put something that has not already been displayed on the screen earlier. Feel free to put it back in the chat. But yeah, let's get started. I have a bunch of information to go through as I do at every opening ceremony, and yeah, we're gonna have fun over the weekend. I'm so glad it's going great for you, Ralph Hack. So yeah, I answer and address every comment that comes in. Hi there, J3 Tech. So yeah, feel free to keep the comments going. I'll definitely come say hi at some point. Hey there, Shivami. I think you're a returning hacker, which is awesome. Awesome. So let's get started because I usually have a lot to go over in terms of the information. So hi, Mossy Notes. I'm so glad it's going great for you as well. Awesome. Like I said, I'm gonna address every comment and every uh, question that you have for me. Once I start the PPT, however, there I might not be looking at the chat. Don't worry, I'm gonna come right back to it. I'm gonna go through all of it. So keep it coming. All right. Awesome, folks. Let's get started. So welcome to Web3 Apps and hello there, Blumph. Uh, Great question. I'm going to answer all about it as we get started, right? So, okay, folks, let's see if I can keep this nice and short for y'all. All right, so we're going to quickly go over a ton of information. And then if y'all want, y'all can always rewind this video on YouTube and Twitch. And if not, I'm there on Discord to answer the question. So, y'all should be good. All right, let's get started. So, welcome to Web3 Apps. We're running this from November 24th to 26th, and today is November 24th. So, hey, folks, I'm Rithi. If y'all are joining us here for the first time, uh, I'm a coach at Major League Hacking. I've been so for over 2 years now, and if y'all know anything about me, hi, I love being here and talking to you all. This is my favorite thing to do. And yeah, I'm a hardware fanatic and I'm currently a professional developer advocate. All right. So right now we're at a hackathon hosted by MLH, and we host this every single weekend to ensure that you always have something, to not find excuses to not hack on your projects. And we are super excited to have you. Each of our events has a theme, but remember it's only for inspiration. And hence, welcome to Web3 Apps, right? So this weekend, irrespective if you're hacking from, NA, APAC, Africa, you are welcome to join and explore Web3 with us this weekend. So, if you all have attended my streams before, you all know I always ask you all to focus on working and collaborating with new people and making friends on the way, right? Starting right now, at any given point of time, until the closing ceremony, there's always going to be an MLHA online. I know we're running a little late today, but I promise you from this point on, there's always going to be an MLHA online to help you out with whatever you need, whether it's questions, concerns, or you just want to, need some company to work on your hack. Just, put a message and we'll be more than happy to hop into the voice channel for you. So apart from me, you have two awesome MLHers with you all this weekend, Isa and Cecilia. And yeah, they're going to make sure that you're successful over this weekend. So, in case you're joining us for the first time, what is Major League Hacking? Well, we are a global hacker community and we have a community of over 500,000 people just like you. So the more you hack, the more you collaborate, the more you win community points. You know how you have brownie points? Well, we have community points. So, the more friends you get, the more, you contribute to the community, the more we like you. And what better opportunity I feel to get your friends to something so cool than a Global Hack Week. Global Hack Week is basically a week-long festival where we basically celebrate hacking and different tech topics. We usually have a theme for the weekend. Y'all can check out the website flashing on your screen. And again, if this is too fast for you, don't worry, you can just pause or rewind as per your pace. But what exactly is happening at Web3 apps? Well, this weekend is full of activities. The next 48 hours, you're going to have continuously something or the other happening on Discord, and you are more than welcome to join and make friends, right? So we have many events planned for you all throughout the weekend, and they're spaced out so that you can join whatever is more friendly to your time zone or the time zone you choose to live in. Because when I used to hack, I never lived in the actual time zone I was physically at, right? So first we are starting in a few hours actually, the blockchain basics. You know what, if this was anywhere around my time zone, I would definitely attend this, because I recently learned a lot about blockchain being used in voice over IP, and I am very intrigued. Then we have our first hacker hangout happening just a few hours after that. Hacker hangouts are super fun. I love running hacker hangouts and I love joining hacker hangouts. You can just come chill. I've spent so many hours just talking about food and breakfast with hackers. It is great if you're looking for a new food to try. Then we have Hacker Hangout 2 happening not very much after that during the day. And we have the first mini event, which is the Scribble mini event happening tomorrow, exactly in 24 hours for that matter. And I love Scribble mini events. I love running them. Y'all will have a ton of fun. It's a great way to, work with people and take a break from hacking. Then we have Wikipedia Race, another super fun event happening. Well, quite some time from now on, but I'm sure you all will make it and you all will have fun. So where is all of this happening? Well, all of this is going to happen on Discord. And what else you need to know about Discord? Well, everything that we do, from announcements to running the mini events, running the hacker hangouts, all happens on Discord. Which means if you have any concern or anything, just go on Discord, ask questions, or just hang out on Discord, and you'll find a ton of cool people to join your mission at whatever you're trying to build, right? So in case you're not already on Discord, here's a quick link to join it. Again, if this is too fast for you, you rewind, pause, go at your own pace, right? And as soon as you join the Discord, there will be a community, a community customization page. Once you're through that, you can head to the channels and roles and select Web3 apps. And once you do that, you will have access to all the channels where announcements happen. And of course, you're here, so you deserve to be appreciated. We love you for being here, and we want to send you swag. So make sure that if you want to receive swag for having turned up at this event, you register at Web3 apps and also check in. All of these links are already posted in the Discord announcement. If you can't find it, just put a quick comment, and I shall make sure that you have the right resources with you. Again, to be able to send your swag to you, we need your address. So definitely fill out your address on the link flashing on your screen right now. If you have moved, or if you're not sure that you fill the address, just go on the link and fill it again. We usually remove duplicate entries, and if there are multiple entries, we keep the latest ones. So you can fill it out as many times, and we'll keep the latest one that you want. So we don't just have awesome MLHers, but we also have some amazing partners that make sure that you hackers have so much knowledge coming your way, right? So if you want to know more about these partners, you all can go onto the link that's flashing on the corner of the screen. But let me tell you more about what these partners have to offer this weekend. Well, first we have the best use of Federa, right? Another really cool tech, and you get to win a mechanical keyboard when you use it in the best way. Usually, since MLHs judge these categories, we look for some nice, crazy, quirky ideas. So don't stop at the usual. Right? Then we have the best use of Circle. You're supposed to build with programmable wallets. I think that's a really cool application, because wallets are the building block in blockchain. Like, I recently learned of these really cool applications that GSMA is building with wallets, and I'm again very intrigued. So this is something I'm definitely going to look into the projects really well. Then we have the best use of flow. If you win this, you get $200 of flow token, which is just so cool. I would definitely participate in this category. And then you have smart contracts. Wow, we've covered the entire blockchain ecosystem, right? Wallets, tokens, contracts, and then we also have the prize of best use of Starknet. And you get a Starknet care package. That is so cool. Finally, we have best use of Sorobin, and you win an Anchor 337 power bank. Now, ideally, I would want you to focus more on the tech than the prizes. But because I am not a very Web3 person and I'm still learning, and I would love to see applications that help me learn better about the project, I would love for you all to tell me more about the tech through your projects. Is that it? Well, no. Of course not. There are so many more prizes for you to win this weekend. These prizes can be found on DevPost, so don't worry about the slide. I know ideas are pretty difficult to, get every weekend or be inspired every weekend. So Emily just done something really nice for you all. We have built a chat bot on our website to help you ideate and just bounce ideas around. And of course, that is us coaches don't come through. So you can come pester us all you like. But if we don't come through, you have our chat bot to go pester. It does not bark. Then that's not it. We have MLH category prizes. My favorite prize is always the best beginner hack, because we know hackathons can be daunting, especially for beginners. I know it took me 5 to 6 hackathons to just, put in my first Discord message. So this one's for y'all if y'all are participating for the first time. And then we have Web3 in healthcare, another really cool topic. And I know there's a lot y'all can innovate here. Again, all these prices are available on DevPost, so don't worry if these slides are too fast for you all. Okay, well, is that it? Let's see. Well, no, MLH is all about helping students succeed in their tech career, from week-long hackathons themselves, month-long hackathons, and then we have the fellowship. Fellowship is basically a 12-week internship alternative, which means you work on a production code base, you work with some really cool mentors, and you don't have to worry about breaking the production code base because you have some amazing mentors helping you out. So definitely check out the link on the page if you all are interested in it. Quick heads up though, I see a lot of y'all message me and coaches specifically for more information on fellowship. I am not directly involved in the fellowship team, so I cannot give you a lot of information. But our YouTube channel, where you're probably watching this opening ceremony, or the Twitch, has some really cool videos done by the fellowship team. Amanda and we are very active in doing all the graduation ceremonies and the information sessions. They are super helpful, and you all should definitely check that out. So if you all need the link to one of the information sessions that happened recently, do put a message on Discord and I shall send that to you all. All right. Awesome. So, what else do you need to be successful this weekend? Well, how I said, we understand how your post hackathons can be daunting. Well, we understand getting a project to its end is also very difficult. So submit a demo. It doesn't matter what your progress is. It doesn't matter whether it's even just a few lines of code. Submit what you've built and get your blue badge of courage, right? Your iDemo sticker. This is special to every hackathon that we run. So it's actually a collectible, and it's very cool because when we have hackers come up from like 2015, 2016 and show their stickers, it is the coolest thing ever. So this is a special edition sticker. It's definitely worth collecting and definitely worth submitting a project for. Well, how do you create a good demo? It's one thing to submit. How do you create a successful demo? Well, we need a 2-minute video, right? Not just a set of slides. I always tell this to hackers, right? Make sure that you're submitting code. And if you're not very confident about the code, explain what the code does. Like, it's okay if your website's not running, but if you tell me that you understand the code that you've written and you're excited about the code you've written, it's more rewarding to me as an experience for you. Definitely include a public code repo in case you're not able to work us through the entire code. At least we can look it up and understand what's happening. And of course, submit it on time. If you submit it on time, we can see the projects. We would love to keep the deadline as indefinite as possible, but we do need to get the judging started, and after a point we cannot consider the projects. So 10 a.m. ET Sunday is the deadline for submissions on DevPost. The DevPost link is also in the announcement in Discord. In case you all have trouble finding it, let me know. I'm happy to send it here again. All right, folks. On a serious note, this is a MLH hackathon, which means we follow the code of conduct, which is on the link flashing on your screen right now. It is a safe space for everyone, and we do not tolerate any form of disrespect. The code of conduct is final, and we do take actions as and when needed. In case you all have questions, in case you all don't feel safe, you all can always reach out to the coaches. In case you're not comfortable reaching out to the coaches, we have a specific incidents team trained to handle these incidents. So you can either email them, and if you want to, give a call, there are specific codes to call through from based on the region that you're based in. So check that out as well. Um, and yeah, that's it, folks. That's it for the information. I know that was a lot. I know you all are working on some very cool things. Definitely share about it. Use the hashtag, tag us, and of course, like I said, this is if you have attended any of my opening ceremonies before. I always ask you all to team up and have fun. I've told you how amazing it is when your entire country goes through something and your teammates from all across the world reach out to you. So, in case you want to build your own team, you can use the team building channel on Discord to find your team. And hacking time begins now, folks. So, I'm gonna go back to StreamYard very quickly and go through all the comments. All right, I see someone asking for the Discord link. Let me quickly pull up the Discord link for you. There we. And that should be a clickable link for you. In case that doesn't work for you, let me know. But yeah, so I know, and I'm again very sorry for running late with the ceremony, but we're here. It's almost done. If you all have any questions, do let me know. I see not many comments, which is great, which means I'm hoping y'all don't have a lot of questions. This is the link you asked for. The link to the chatbot. Let me quickly pull up the link to the chatbot for you. Let's see. Missed it. There we go. So hack.mlh.io, and when you go to the web page, right there, you can see the link to the chatbot. Let me just paste the link for you anyway. And that's your link for hack.mlh.io, folks, for the chatbot. All right, folks, let's see if you all have any other questions. I'm going to stick around another 5-ish minutes in case you all have any questions. Else, I am available on Discord if you have any questions. And in a few minutes, Isa will take over. And like I said, throughout the weekend, there's always going to be someone answering your questions. All right, I see someone on Discord having an issue with their roles. So let me see if I can share my screen and show you how to get the role. All right, folks. Is there anyone who had the issue in the opening ceremony? Let me quickly share my screen and show you all how to get your role, right? So this is your Discord. All right. And in Discord, you can go to channels and roles. And over here, you can select what you want to join. So for example, I've selected, yes, I'm joining Web3Apps. And once you select that, you should have access to these channels called Web3Apps Read Only and Web3Apps, where you can basically chat with other folks and actually participate. And you all can also go to this channel, check in Web3Apps, and react here, and you'd also get access to all the different. Let's see if this helps. Okay, let's see if this helps. But anyway, yeah, any other questions that I can help you all answer? All right, well then, folks, you're very well equipped to start hacking this weekend. I can't wait to see the amazing things you all are going to create, especially because I've started learning a lot of blockchain. So you all will see me use a lot of cool terms that I definitely did not know about earlier. But awesome. Best of luck, folks. And again, I'm available on Discord until Isa doesn't join. And have fun, folks, as a priority. All right, folks, I'm going to close the stream then, and I'll see you in Discord.